Hello, I'm Matt Mooney, and welcome to the Mealtime with Matt channel. Here the food is the star. Watch and enjoy these easy and yummy and easy to follow recipes. The recipe for today's meal is crispy fried chicken. Learn how to make perfect fried chicken with the crispiest, most flavorful crunchy outside with moist and juicy meat on the inside. Prep time, 5 minutes. Cook time, 30 minutes. Total time, 35 minutes. Now before going to make the meal, if you still didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe it so that you remain up to date about our next recipe videos. First of let me tell about ingredients. Ingredients: 6 chicken thighs, 6 chicken drumsticks, 3 cups buttermilk, ½ cup buffalo hot sauce optional, 2 teaspoons salt, 1 teaspoon pepper. Now, dredging mixture: 3 cups all-purpose flour, ½ cup cornstarch, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon paprika, 2 teaspoons onion powder, 2 teaspoons garlic powder, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 1 teaspoon dried basil, 1 teaspoon white pepper, 1 teaspoon cayenne pepper, 1 quart vegetable oil for frying. Instructions. Step 1. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together buttermilk, hot sauce, salt, and pepper in a mixing bowl. Add in chicken pieces, cover the bowl with plastic wrap, and refrigerate for hours. Step 2. When ready to cook, pour the vegetable oil in a skillet until it is about 3/4 inches deep. Heat to 350 degrees. Step 3. Prepare the breading by combining the flour, cornstarch, onion powder, garlic powder, oregano, basil, white pepper, cayenne pepper, paprika, and salt in a gallon-sized resealable plastic bag or shallow dish. Mix it thoroughly. Step 4. Working one at a time. Remove chicken pieces from buttermilk mixture. Shake it gently to remove the excess. Place it in the breading mix and coat thoroughly. Tap off the excess. Step 5. Place the breaded chicken into the 350-degree oil. Fry 3 or 4 pieces at a time. The chicken will drop the temperature of the oil, so keep it as close to 350 degrees as possible. Fry each piece for 14 minutes, turning each piece over about every 2 minutes, until the chicken reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees F. Step 6. Remove from the oil and place on paper towels. Let them rest for at least 10 minutes before serving. This is all for today's meal. Stay tuned and please never forget to subscribe and like our channel for watching more interesting meal videos. Thank you.